Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in ExxonMobil, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in ExxonMobil, start by doing your research on the company. Understand its business model, recent performance, and market position. Review financial statements and analyst reports to gauge its potential. Next, choose a brokerage platform that suits your investment needs. Consider factors such as fees, user interface, and available resources. Set up your brokerage account by providing personal information and verification documents. Once your account is active, deposit funds into your trading account. Determine the amount you wish to invest in ExxonMobil shares. Search for ExxonMobil's ticker symbol, which is ExxonMobil, on the trading platform. Analyze current market prices and trends for ExxonMobil shares. Decide on the type of order you want to place, market order or limit order. A market order buys shares at the current price, while a limit order sets a specific price. Place your order by entering the number of shares you want to purchase. Review the order details to ensure accuracy before confirming the transaction. After your purchase, monitor your investment regularly. Stay informed about company news and market conditions that may affect ExxonMobil. Consider joining investment communities or forums for insights and discussions. Evaluate your investment strategy periodically and make adjustments as needed. Be prepared for market fluctuations and stay focused on your long-term goals. Finally, remember to review your portfolio and assess your overall investment strategy periodically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.